Rose Glow Serum from Deka. This is actually an oil. I don't know why they call it serum. And not only I finished it, I have broke it. I haven't broke it. This product is faulty. This dropper thing, it broke on its own. Let me just show you. Do you see the black thing? It broke on its own, and I don't know what material it was, the rubber was made of. I'm not sure how safe this rubber part is, because how, like, I don't know. Anyway, let's not talk about packaging because I don't know much about it, but I finished it up entirely. Nothing is in it. I can't open it to show you guys because that rubber part just, and this happened just on its own. Okay, I mean, it was just sitting there empty and it broke. I mean, I don't know, खुद ही ऐसे पिघलने लग गया क्या? Anyway, let's talk about the product. I don't know why they call it serum. It's actually an oil. I definitely recommend using this product very quickly as soon as you get it, because otherwise this can go bad. It doesn't have any preservatives. I think most of the products I have from Deka, they don't have preservatives in their ingredient list. So I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but that means you have to use it up quickly. It also has rose hip oil. It also has rose essential oil, which you might be sensitive to. So something to remember it. You know, also contains the olive oil, vitamin E oil, also almond oil, so which might also contain vitamin E. So it has good occlusive and good emollients. Again, I do not recommend this for acne prone skin. If you get acne, this will give you acne. So definitely stay away from this if you have acne prone skin, but definitely if you have normal skin, dry skin, combination to dry skin, then this might be okay. You might see me use this oil with my makeup a lot. In my lot of makeup tutorials, I use this quite a lot. I mix it with my foundation to make it sheer. I also mix it with my cream concealer. Sometimes it blends really well with any makeup. You know, some facial oil just wouldn't sit well with your makeup. This doesn't do that. It is one of those oil that you can like incorporate into your makeup rather than use it to take off your makeup. You know, I do have acne prone skin, and that's the reason I don't use it as my skincare. I used to use it as my last step in my skincare routine when I first got it, you know, to seal every skincare in. But now I feel like it's best suited for makeup mixing. It's really good for massaging as well. And when you use this oil for things like that, like massaging and stuff, you're going to take it off in like 10-20 minutes max. So if you don't have acne prone skin, definitely try it out. That's what I did with my oil mostly, but I'm sure dry skin people will like to use it as a skincare.